This month's Panel Built Project of the Month is an interior office enclosure with an internal mezzanine with an office on top, thus doubling their space with the mezzanine and being able to view the equipment enclosure from the office on the mezzanine. This was sold by one of our best dealers that we work with, C.E. Thurston, to a major drinking manufacturer. This system also incorporates a customer-provided crane system for moving the equipment in the area. For ease of equipment going in and out of the area, double doors were installed. The mezzanine platform had a 125 PSF, which is standard for a loading mezzanine system. Windows were incorporated on 3 sides of the enclosure for clear viewing outside of the area also. All in all, this was a great project, and we want to thank our dealer, C.E. Thurston, Dean Alvis, and Jeff Connor for their hard work and dedication on this project. And if you would like to win $50, please submit your photos from any recent panel built project. You would send that to info@panelbuilt.com. Again, that's info@panelbuilt.com. Thank you and have a great life.